Hello and welcome to Predict Risk Controller. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how Predict can help you connect risk across your organisation. It's so important that risk can be quickly and easily connected across your business. Risks are rarely static, and the same risk will often affect multiple areas of the business and should be visible to multiple people. Having all of your risk in one place and being able to pull together information across the database is extremely important to break down silos and help people use risk to inform decision making. Predict Risk Controller makes it extremely easy to do this. In a previous video, we explained that there are just 3 screens for all of your risk management needs. These are the home page, risk lists, and the risk detail screen. It's the second screen, risk lists, that really help us connect risk. There are a number of ways to view lists of risks. The first is by their folder. The flexible folder structure within Predict allows you to mirror your organisational hierarchy and means that you can have all of the risk in your business in one place. Here, we can view risks separated into their different areas, be that projects, programs, functions, or any other part of the business. But we can create our own bespoke lists by defining criteria that we're interested in and searching across the database to pull together risks that meet those requirements. I can access these lists by selecting the My Risk Lists button here. From this drop-down, I can run lists with criteria that have already been created, or I can start a completely new list from scratch. Here's an example of a list that I've created that is pulling together all of the risks that have been tagged with the category of engineering. The flexible categorization capability within Predict is one of the key ways that makes it so easy to connect risk within Predict Risk Controller. You can create as many categories as you like in the admin portal, and then these are available to all of the risks across the database. This means that for people with specific interests in things like supply chain, engineering, different geographical locations, or even specific corporate objectives, can quickly and easily pull together risks that have been tagged with the appropriate categories. In this example, if I'm the Director of Engineering and I want to see all of the risks across the database that affect my discipline, I simply run this list. I now have all of the relevant information to me and it's available at my fingertips, so I can be confident that I'm making decisions with the appropriate risks in mind. Here's how simple it is to add or remove criteria from our list. I simply click the Edit List button here, and I'm presented with a variety of options to tailor the information that I want to display. I can set some quick filters about the types of risks that are presented in my list, but this section here is what we're interested in, as it's where we can set our criteria to search across the database. Currently, I only have one criteria specified, which is to show all of the risks with a category of engineering. We can add as many criteria as we like, and they don't all have to be categories. We can pick any of the fields within the database to refine our list and make it as specific as we need to. Once I've finished, I can choose who's able to see this list. I can keep it for myself, I can share it with everyone, or I can select specific users to share this list with. We can also quickly and easily search within a list of risks based on any of the columns we've made available. If we go back to our folder view, here I'm looking at all of the risks in our enterprise. If I click the search icon, I can quickly and easily filter within any of our fields. Once we've refined our list and connected the risks that we're interested in, we can run reports by selecting our reporting button here. We'll look at reporting and the types of reports that can be run in more detail in another video. Now that we've identified how we can use categories and other criteria to connect risk across the organisation, let's have a quick look at how easy it is to apply these categories to our risks. The first way we can do this is by applying a category at the folder level, and all of the risks within our folder will inherit this. We can also go into the third screen, the risk detail screen, and apply any categories we like to a specific risk. You can set permissions to control which users can edit which risks. As we scroll down our detail screen, we have a section here where we can add or remove categories. This concludes our demonstration on how you can use risk lists and flexible categorization within Predict to make it easy to connect risk across your organisation and break down silos. If you'd like more information, please have a look at our other videos or reach out via our contact page for a more in-depth demonstration.